Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, for commenting. You all mean so much. It really means so much to me when I see the comments and the love that y'all share. I mean, it really does mean so much to me, and I am trying to give y'all a really good giveaway. I really wish I could give all of y'all something, but I want to do it every month, so hopefully in time all of y'all will have gotten something. Hopefully, I mean, I don't know if I should say hopefully, because hopefully my channel will continue to grow and it will take a long time, but I've always been a people pleaser. I've always been a giver, and I really want to give back as much as I possibly can. And enough of that sappy stuff. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. I have my Glitz Glam Box. It's really a bag, but that is what it's called. I actually thought about that earlier. I thought the box, they call it a box, but it's really a bag, and we call it unboxing, but shouldn't it be unbagging? I was thinking about that silly stuff earlier, that some of it is boxes, but in this case it is a bag, and this is a bag, so shouldn't we actually call it unbagging? Just an idea I had earlier. So this is called Electric Summer. It is the August, and of course it's August. It is the August, but I know sometimes people get delayed and we don't get things out in the month they are. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I was really eager to see what that was. I saved this to show my first impression to share with you all. So I forgot that it was supposed to be in there, and I've actually been, well, we'll get to that in a minute. So let's see. The iridescent glitter gloss is from Hikari. It retails for $18, and this box bag I do believe is $15. Let me find I don't think this has, yeah, this doesn't tell so the value. So I'm gonna open it up, my calculator up, and see this was 18, so I can tell you all what the value is for your $15. So there is, that is a very interesting color. Let's see what, that is very interesting. I know I've got swatches all over me. It is, yeah, it is like a very iridescent purpley, where'd it go, like a purpley green kind of color. So that is 18, and then we got, I had always been told in this box that you get a eyelash and a glitter every month, but there's no glitter this month, so I don't know what is up with that. Well, let me do my video, baby. So here are the eyelashes this month. They're very dramatic. Did y'all see I'm wearing eyelashes? I did a very bold look with Manny MUA's Life's a Drag palette. So you see I did kind of a dramatic look, so I decided to put lashes on. They still feel really weird to me, but just something, but it's late, but this is, what are you doing? Levi, I'm doing this video. Let me put that up.
Quick hint, by the way.
Yeah, he's wanting to get that started.
This
Levi,
is the April.
put it up.
Has marshmallows.
Okay, Levi, let me finish this video. Levi, let me finish this one. So here are the lashes. Let's see, these have a value of 8. They're probably a bit, the ones I have on to me are too dramatic for me. These are even more dramatic, but that's okay. I decided, it feels like one of my, really, I think one of my lashes just feels like it's not right. Y'all know I did this last time. It really feels odd to have lashes on, especially with the fan on. I kept thinking the fan's gonna blow off my lashes, but I do apologize. I think I didn't tell you on this video. I do apologize for the fan. It is so hot in this house. Y'all probably remember me mentioning that my air conditioner keeps freezing up, and it's fairly late in the evening before it cools off again. And then I was busy with him doing his school all morning until it was already getting hot. So it just feels really weird. I'll get the hang of it and get to where I can handle it. This is kind of an interesting, unusual brush. This tie-dye eyeshadow brush says it's retails for $3. It's great for packing on, shadow, or blending. So we got that. And then we got this. Doesn't it look like the Color Pop? I forget the name of it, but it's one of the ones in Color Pop I've been wanting. I think it is called Honey something, and this is called My Honey by You Can Be. I know You Can Be does a lot of dupes for different brands. I've tried a few. I haven't really tried many, but I'm always up to trying one if it comes like this, or it looks pretty. Oh, look how pretty that is. Very pretty packaging. This retails for $10. So this whole bag costs $15, plus this one charges tax. I know some of them don't, so it's like $17, and you got a $39 value. And I do like this. If I can get it open, I will show it to you better, but I don't want to accidentally drop it. It does not want to. Oh, there we go. Don't want to open. Look at those pretty colors. I do like those pretty colors. Let's swatch a few and see just how pigmented it looks like it is. Let's swatch a few. That looks pretty. Let me swatch. Let's see which other one. Let's swatch a matte, because I'm just naturally drawn to shimmers. I know they say as we get older, oh, look at that. Shouldn't really wear shimmers, but I am. Oh, look at those. Those are really nice. Even that matte is really nice and pigmented. This is called My Honey. I think the one by Color Pop, isn't it called Oh Honey or something like that? Well, those are the colors. Look at that. I will have to do a look with this really soon. Okay, I probably wasn't as pleased with this because this will probably be the only thing I use, but I do like this. I might use this Hikari. I do like the brand Hikari, but you see it's kind of a purpley green color. It might be okay over the top of another color. I don't really see. It probably wouldn't show up very well on its own, but I will try this. And don't know if I don't really like brushes that are that flimsy, because I mean it might be okay for blending, but it's kind of odd. See how the end is? It's just like a blunt end, but it's different. So again, this box retails for $39, and we got the eyelashes that were $8. The brush says it's valued at $3. The Hikari says it's valued at $18, and the My Honey says it's valued at $10. So that is what we got for the Glitz Glam bag. I said at that time, Glitz Glam bag. It says Glitz Glam Box, but Glitz Glam bag is $15, and that is what we got this month. And I really do like this. I'm eager. I know most people say anxious, but anxious to me means you're anxious, like nervous. Eager means you're excited to do something. And I try to remind myself not to say anxious, even though it seems like most people do say anxious. I try to remind myself that that does not make sense to say you're anxious, because I'm not remotely nervous about trying this out. I'm eager to try out that palette. So does that make sense? I try to use my words correctly. I know it's not always easy, and I'm not saying anything against anybody else who doesn't, because we all live in different parts of the country or the world, and different parts of the country and the world say things differently. And even if somebody does say it just totally off, I don't judge. But me personally, I like to try to say things the way I think they're supposed to be said, and to me, saying I'm anxious to do something just doesn't sound right to me, unless it's to say I'm anxious about going to get a lab test done or something. Yes, I would be anxious, because isn't that what anxious means? Anxious means you're nervous, or I will have to look that up, but to me it seems like anxious is not a good word as far as being happy about something. It's, to me, a word that you use when you're nervous or anxiety. Or let me know your comments below. What do you think about that? I think that is really cool for us to have those kind of conversations, and just, I mean, that's what friends do, isn't it? So there is that, and I love you guys. I will see you soon. I'm fixing to do my first box that came in this month. So, I mean, not boxy, my first Ipsy. So, and guess I'm still waiting for my Ipsy Plus and Ultimate from last month, for July. They finally wrote me back and said they are going to they're going to refund me all the money. And I told him I would really rather have my products, because I really wanted to show you all what I had, my add-ons and everything. And he wrote back and said that I should get them, but I mean, they've been in the mail for, the Ultimate has been in the mail, and 2 days will have been an entire month, and the Plus has been in the mail for, see, today's 13th, I think. It has been in the mail for almost 5 weeks now. So I'm kind of getting hesitant to think that I'm really starting to think they're not going to make it. He said they will eventually get here, and they gave me a refund, or are supposed to be giving me a refund. So that's something if they don't get here. But I really did want that Sunday Riley oil, the Luna oil, I think is what it called. I really wanted to try that oil. So hopefully they do. The rest of the stuff, as far as I can remember, the stuff wasn't just stuff that I just really had to have, but I really wanted that Luna oil. So, because that's like, I think it said $105 or $115 was what it cost, and it is was it 12 or 18 add-on. It was really a good deal, so hopefully I do get it. Sorry to ramble. Like I said, y'all have become my friends, and it's really hard not to get off track and ramble a little bit when you're with friends. So I love you guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.